Let's divide 366 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, it's time to dive into another exciting division adventure. If you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's get started. All right, let's start our division adventure. We're bringing down the first digit 3. Look at that. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's write that down. 3 minus 2 leaves us with 1. We're doing great. You're doing an amazing job. Keep that energy up. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. On to the next step. Get ready for the next part of our division journey. We bring down the next digit, 6, next to our remainder 1. Now we have 16. How many times does 2 go into 16? It's 8 times. Fantastic. 8 times 2 equals 16. We're spot on. 16 minus 16 is 0. 0 remainder, woohoo. You're crushing it, almost there. We have one more digit to go. Let's keep the momentum. Here comes the final step. We're almost done. We bring down the last digit, 6. Our number is 6. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It's 3 times, perfect. 3 times 2 is 6. Exactly right. 6 minus 6 equals 0. We finished with no remainder. You did it, that's the final answer. We've reached the end of our division problem. Great job. We found that 366 divided by 2 is 183 with no remainder. Great job, everyone. Awesome work, mathletes. We successfully divided 366 by 2, step by step. Remember, every division problem is a chance to boost your brain power. Keep practicing, and you'll become a division whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye for now.